Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a haul. I'm actually going to combine a couple hauls into this one video. I'm not going to share the supplier on this one because I'm going to be destashing some of this stuff in my group. So if you're not a member of my Facebook group, I highly suggest you join because I'll probably be having a sale in February. So the first one is going to be kind of short. It's a bunch of baggies of pearls, and we'll start with this one. These are just some like nice red pearls, freshwater. Actually, I don't know if these are pearls or shells. Now that I'm looking at it, maybe they're shell pearls. I don't know. They didn't really have like a label. This was just an estate sale. So some of them these are side drilled. They're really cool. I haven't really actually looked at them up close, but they're definitely dyed, obviously. But I think they're pretty cool. I don't have anything like that. I thought they were really neat, and they all range in size. Next, I have some chocolate colored pearls, kind of the same look. These aren't the best dye job I've seen on pearls before, but they're going to be really nice accent beads too. A pretty luxurious like chocolate gemstone necklace or something like that. With maybe some like chocolate colored crystals or something. Some more red pearls, just a slightly different color. Ooh, these are really fun. These are bright red. I love this little guy. And these, I think, are side drilled too. Yeah. Very neat. Next we have some coins. Oh, these are so yummy. So yummy. And if you guys recently saw my Southwestern necklace video, so the pearls that I used in that one I got in this haul too, and that's where I asked, I was like, hey, are you guys interested in seeing I don't know if I asked it in that one. Yeah, a haul if I don't tell you where I got the stuff. Here are some of the pearls that I used from that necklace. I'm just going to show you a few. They were side drilled, and they're stick pearls. I know some of the pearls that were in this haul it's either biwa or biwa pearls, but I don't know if these are considered those. I'm obsessed with the iridescence on these pearls. Just love them. I can't believe I actually got myself to use some of them. I've got two different colors of purple pearls. These are so yummy. Look at those. I love the color range on here. They go from a little bit of a pinker purple to more of like an eggplant purple. Love them. There's so many designs in my head and I don't have enough time. I would love to make videos all day long, but I can barely get one a day done. Barely. And most days not even that. So these are even better. These have like a blue iridescence to them. These look like a nightclub with my ring lights hitting them. I love them. Oh, these are so fantastic. We've got some little baby potato pearls in like a nice gray iridescent color. This is so cool. These finishes are so amazing. And then we've got these, I think they're Cabochons. It says $6 a pair. I didn't pay that. I mean, this was all in one big grouping. But whoever had the estate paid $6 for this pair. These are beautiful. I might see if I can find some 14 karat gold studs or something and put them on there so I can use them myself. Those are gorgeous. I have another pair. These were $3. Again, that's not my price. That was whoever had this in their estate. Oh, these are really pretty. I can't tell what color they are. They're gray, but they have that iridescence on them. So they're a little bit purple too. Very pretty. They actually really match these really well. We have some more coins, but in like a black, green. Yeah, these are more green. But these are drilled like Hishi beads. that's awesome. I'm trying to see if I have like a head pin or something. I have like nothing around me. But there's a million beads right next to me, but no head pins, no wire, nothing. I can't find anything. Okay, well, my goodness, here I can find, I can have a little piece of memory wire, and I don't even know if this will go through this pearl. Yeah, these are hishis. That's so cool. And you can tell these are cultured because look, there's the shell on the inside. This one's broken, but so what they do, oh, a lot of these are broken now. I'm looking at them. How they make these is they open the shell of the, I don't know, are they clams? I think so. They put in a little shell disc or something like that. Sometimes it's like a grain or something like that to make the smaller pearls. And then they put it back in the water and they grow the pearl around the shell on the inside. So I don't know if any of you knew that before, but that's how they make these. Now, unfortunately, a lot of these are already broken, but I think these are really old. So I'll have to go through them. I think if I'm making something for myself, I won't mind that they're broken because nobody can tell. I can tell because I know how they're made and I know what they look like up close. But yeah, I wouldn't really sell these to anybody. Like this one's just half shell, half pearl. So yeah, a lot of them are like that for this one. That stinks because they're really pretty color, but it is what it is. Okay. We have some more coins. These look like they're in the same boat as the last ones, but they are not. These are not drilled like hishis. They're just drilled like that. Some more coins drilled like hishis. These are better quality. They're not broken. And they're really pretty. Look at that. Oh, it's such a nice like peacock green. I love that. So pretty. Oh, here we just have a straggler. I don't know where he goes, but it's gorgeous. Look at that. That color is just stunning. So pretty. We have a little tiny baby pack of just some white pearls. And this one is half drilled right here, so you could make it into an earring. Or I could glue it and then make a memory wire neck or bracelet, and that could be the end of the memory wire bracelet instead of making a loop. Ooh, these are really pretty. They're more purple than these. These are gorgeous. So yummy. So yummy. Got some more coins in white. These are really, 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 really pretty. Really pretty. Oh. Yeah, I'll probably be holding on to those for a while before I can make myself use them. They're just so gorgeous. I love that iridescence. Here are the other pearls. I think these are the Biwa pearls or Biwa, however you say that. If somebody knows, let me know. These are drilled differently than the others that I showed you. Well, maybe not. Yeah, they are. The others were drilled this way. These are drilled this way. And I love that. I've been looking, well, actually I wanted some like the other ones, but the other ones were like top drilled. I wanted them to be like this way, but that's okay. I love these. They're drilled this way. And I look at the opalescence there. It's just stunning. I just love these. These are so gorgeous. So pretty. And then the last thing in this bag. Oh, okay. So this pearl came from this bag. Oh my gosh. Hold on 1 second. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. So pretty. Yeah, a couple of these are obviously cultured. A couple of these are broken, like this one, but I would not be able to tell on a piece for myself. And that's usually what most of these end up as. Like I said, most of this will be hoarded for a little while because they're just so gorgeous. The ones, I'm thinking this will be its own video because everything else is more gemstone-y. And this was all pearls. So that was a cute little pearl haul. Thanks for watching. Let me know which one was your favorite. I think my favorite were these, and these. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for Goldie. She's so cute. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.